Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to install Clash Royale on Samsung Galaxy Tab S11. Let's begin! First of all, you want to head into your Play Store. Now, note that you need to have a Google account for this, otherwise you won't be able to download anything. Then you want to simply go into your search bar and start typing in Clash. And usually you should see a lot of different things, but as you can see the autocorrect is pretty good. And of course, please do not really care about anything that is going to happen in the sponsored tab, because we want to focus solely on what's here. Now, before you actually download it, make sure that this is the legit one, created by Supercell, which as you can see has plenty of very popular games. So let's just hit install. And if you have poor internet connection, you can also enable auto open when app is ready. Thanks to this, our application will open automatically when we're done downloading, and thanks to the typical Supercell sound when you're actually opening their applications, you will have a nice notification of the fact that your game has successfully downloaded. Unfortunately, there isn't any kind of light version, so if you're struggling with space, you need to free some space before actually downloading the game. And now all you want to do is just hit play and play the game itself. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.